And how old are you?
75 years old.
And you came to us because of your hips and your lower back?
Correct.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about that. How were you feeling when you met us?
I was feeling pretty discouraged and pretty down in the dumps
Why?
because the pain was so intense in my lower back and particularly in my right leg, also with some numbness down the leg, that it would take me 2 hours to get up in the morning, get out of bed, and be able to get myself ready to go out of the house.
And how long has this been going on?
Since August of 2019.
Now, besides having 2 hip replacements, you've seen other doctors for this?
I have.
Okay.
I've seen a physical medicine doctor. I saw my internist first, physical medicine doctor. I've been in physical therapy for 14 weeks,
14.
going twice a week.
Okay. And so you started care with us about a month ago?
Yes.
4 weeks ago?
Mhm.
And so what's happened since then?
Well, when I first came here, I came for 3 visits, and then we talked about doing the regenerative injections,
Mhm.
and you did an evaluation to make sure that I was a good candidate and determined that yes, I would be. So I had the injections, and it's been almost 4 weeks now since I had the injections.
And how are you feeling?
Feeling much better. I still do have some discomfort and some pain, but I've gone from a 9 out of 10 to a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10?
Uh-huh.
And you're doing more things?
I'm able to do more things. I'm able to get up in the morning, get out of bed. I do a little bit of stretching before I get out of bed in the morning. I'm able to get out of bed and get ready, and I can get ready to be out of the house within an hour.
Within an hour?
Yes.
And you're also spending time at other people's houses where you weren't doing that before?
Oh, yes. I'm going out and visiting. I'm doing things outside of the house. I'm doing more things inside of the house. And I'm looking forward to even more recovery.
Okay. And so what did you tell me last week? What were your words last week? You couldn't believe?
I said I couldn't believe that this was happening. It was after 3 weeks, and actually the day after Christmas, I got up in the morning and I had a significant difference in my physical abilities and the way I felt. It was great.
Okay. And what would you like to tell other people?
I would like to tell people that they should come and see you. You'll give them an honest evaluation about whether they're a candidate, what kind of therapy they're a candidate for, and what you could possibly do to help them. I think that they should take this opportunity to get an evaluation. You also told me that I should continue with my physical therapy and that I definitely should continue to be physically active and do more things that I wasn't doing. I had pretty much a sedentary lifestyle before all of this.
And now you're living?
And now I'm living again.
The way you want to or the way somebody else wants you to?
The way I would like to.
Okay. And
Yes.
that's amazing.
That is amazing.